Alright everyone, we are going to update Maker really quick here. So the Maker chart was really messy, so I just redid the fib. So from the low to the high, Heikin-Ashi candles are printing red, no shadow, so it is trending down at the moment, but it is still bullish. You can see that on the regular candles here, we are coming down to our 21-day EMA support. You are in this beautiful uptrend here. So if you can hold 1171 at your 21, you may get a nice bounce here and try the top here again at 1365. If you come down and you take out the 21-day EMA, you're 236 at 1085 for a 9.5% drop here. And then of course you have all the support of your 50, your 100, your 200, all these Fibonacci levels. You see you have your 382 here at 941, and that is about a 22% drop. But there is a good chance, kind of like back here, you're just kind of holding your 21 for support. And if you lose that, you'll probably hold this for support or your 50-day EMA as support and a nice bounce. So just kind of keep an eye on those prices. Your price to beat, like I said, is the 1365 price level here on Maker, and that is from where you are right now, about a 15% move. If we adjust our fib from the most recent low to the high, you can see we're sitting right on the 382 here, so it is still extremely bullish, short term at least in my opinion. So there's a lot of different bounce points it could hit, but ultimately it is bullish. You can see from the stock RSI, every time the stock RSI comes down and moves up, the price moves up pretty quickly here. So move down, kind of sideways, and then you moved up. Now we are going down again. We are back down here at the bottom. So once the momentum comes back and the stock RSI curls up, this thing's probably going to get a nice bounce off of one of these levels we discussed here, and it's going to continue going up. I do not see anything bearish on it at the moment. It is making higher highs and higher lows. It looks extremely bullish. If we zoom out to the weekly chart here, so looking at the weekly chart, the only concerning thing is these wicks here and the fact that you're at this macro support level. So you have support back here in May of 2022, then resistance, and now we are back at this price point once again. And I guess you could argue that we are above it with that green candle here, and we are holding that as support. But I do not like the looks of these wicks here. Let's zoom out to the monthly chart, and here on the monthly scale, yeah, we're at some sort of a support and resistance level here. This is the Bitfinex chart, by the way. So I mean, just kind of watch the prices, and it'll let us know kind of what it's doing. So the top is either in or it's going to continue going up. So I would say a break over this 1365, then it will continue going up at that point. So just watch the support levels here, and then watch this price to break to the upside. And then I would imagine Maker at that point would be extremely bullish, a break over this 1365 price level here. So we'll see. We'll leave it at that for now. And one last thing before we end this, I want to see the 3-day chart here. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. We'll just leave it at that. Just kind of keep those prices in mind on here on the daily chart. Like I said, if we draw the fib from the most recent low to the high, we're sitting bullish right on the 236 here. So we could potentially take off the 21 and come down here to your 382 at 1114 and still be extremely bullish for a push higher. So we will leave it at that on Maker, and hopefully that helped. Good luck everyone, and peace out.